Good morning, this is Shankar. See, today we are going to explain about a very small concept. Normally they used to ask in 3 months, in 10th standard, also in class 2 also. See, this is a plant. Normally we know tropism, phototropism. What is phototropism? If you are keeping a small pot here, okay, any creeper is there, okay, here there is no any sunlight. But if the small window is there, what will happen? It will move towards the light, okay. So this is called as phototropism. Why we say tropism? Tropism means what? Movement. Okay. And photo means light, photons. That is why it is called as phototropism. Happy. Very good. See, now, if you see this is moving towards the light means it has to grow straight one. But you can able to see all the leaves used to what? Okay, you can able to see it is used to bend like this. You can able to see it used to bend like this. Have you ever thought of like why it is bended like this? Why the leaf has to be what? It is not straight. It is bent. Okay. There is a reason for that. Today I will try to explain about this. Why this leaf is not growing straight? This is what? It is bending like this. Okay. We will see now. Okay. Right. So before this, just try to take a snap of this. Take screenshot. Okay, so that what you can save it in your phone. Okay, just try to take a screenshot of this. Hope you would have taken the screenshot. Okay, right. So see, you know the Charles Darwin, very famous scientist. The name is called as what? Charles Darwin. So he was able to put out this theory. Okay, see, normally the plant used to grow like this. Okay, but when the light is being fallen, what is actually happening? It is moving towards the light. Okay, so this bending is caused by the chemical substance is called as auxin. 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 Auxin is a plant hormone. See, I'll just try to explain this. It may take some few minutes, but try to understand this. Normally, if where the plant is growing, okay, what will happen? Meristematic tissue will be there. Okay, meristematic tissue is an undifferentiated tissue. Meristematic tissue. You would have learned this in 9th standard. What is this meristematic tissue? It is actually a growing tissue, but it is not been defined. Okay, once the growth has been achieved, it can change into parenchyma, sclerenchyma, collenchyma, according to the requirement. Okay, I hope you are able to understand this. So this meristematic tissue, okay, has to be stimulated. Okay, this is done only by auxin. Okay, you are able to understand? Again, for example, I can take, see, suppose if you are cutting down the plant, okay, you would have seen like we used to scissor in the garden. Okay, what happened? Again there, the auxin used to what? Act. So it will activate the meristematic tissue. So because of this, what will happen? Again, the plant will start growing. Okay, so this is the thing God has given to the plant, but we are not what? Having that hormone. If you would have had by accident, if you have cut the finger, what will happen? If that hormone is there, then what? We used to regain the parts, but that's not possible in the human. It's only possible in the plant. Okay. So once again, just I will say you, Charles Darwin, okay, is a scientist. He found out this what? Because of the auxin, the light if is able to what? Fall on the plant. What is actually happening? It is moving towards the light. Okay. So, one more scientist followed by the Charles Darwin, he added value to this what? Auxin. His name is Jensen, 1913. His name is Jensen, 1913. What actually he has done? See, he has taken the what? Like this, the coleoptile, okay? So, this is what? Shoot. What actually he has done? He cut down this what? Okay, before that I'll say, okay, yes, it is growing. When the light is being fallen, you know that the tip is what? Showing the tropism, phototropism, because of the auxin is caused bending. If suppose we are cutting down this tip of the what? Shoot, then it won't just turn like this, it will grow only straight. Okay, because it will auxin concentration is there only in the tip. So the plant will grow what? Like this, the coleoptile is to grow like this straight. Okay, so no bending, that is what I have done here. After some time, what will happen? If you just cut down this piece, no? You just put it down there, agar, cut it down, okay, keep it then you just put again the same part by using the gum. What will happen? Again, the auxin has been what? Secreted and you can able to see the movement towards the light. Okay, so that is what actually we have written this. Okay. So now what is this mechanism? Cell elongation. It causes growth in plant. Okay, cell is what? Getting elongated. Cell is elongated. Okay, cell is elongated. Okay, so I'll just try to explain how this is what, this cell elongation is what is happening. See, here we can able to see here. Okay, I just what, at the tip of the plant, you can able to see this tip of the plant. Light is what coming this, and it is moving towards the what, towards the light. So this is called as phototropism, and this is a property of what, Auxin. So the second thing, see, if stem grows towards the light, okay, what will happen? The light causes a destruction of auxin. So you cannot see this front part, auxin won't be available. It will be available only in the back side. Okay, see, I'll just try to explain. This is front side. Okay, so this white part is what? It is front side, and this is back side. Okay, the light is falling like this. Okay, you can able to see. So what will happen here? The concentration won't be there of auxin. So this causes what? The movement of auxin towards this side, or this is getting distraction. Okay, so the cell elongation will cause the growth. How we will see? The cell elongation will be like this one. Okay, so this will start growing like this. Okay, this part only start growing like this. Okay, this part is not growing. So what will happen? It cannot grow straight like this. Okay, right? So what will happen? This upper part is slowly getting bended, because the lower part is not growing. The upper part only, that is this side, no? It is what growing, so it is slowly getting bending. This is the mechanism why this, okay, the plant is what? Being bended like this. Hope you are able to understand that, okay? So, auxin also promotes growth in the plant, because of, I said, meristematic tissue has been what? Induced, and it showed phototropism, geotropism. What is geotropism? You know. Positive geotropism and negative geotropism. Okay? Right? And it induces the apical dominance. That is what I am trying to say here. Okay, the apical dominance is there. Right? If it is not there, if it is being cut down, what will happen? Okay, it won't just bend it like this. This is all about this what? Auxin. Once again, I'll just say what is auxin. Auxin is a plant hormone which is necessary for the primary growth. Okay, what is happening is for the primary growth. Okay, then this causes a cell elongation. Due to this what? There is a growth in the plants, and it also shows the phototropism and geotropism. And one more point is it induces the apical dominance. Once again, just try to take the screenshot of this and just revise this. Hope you are able to understand. Thank you very much.